non-stop, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Oh, tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a
another activity na naman ngayon. Gawa kami ng kimchi making. Nagkikimchi siya. Baka mabudol ka naman dito.
May sabi magpapaba ko ganun.
Oh, really? She's dumating. Pero din naman po tayong manual method ng process ng ating seaweed. Ba't nandito po, manual niyang dinidikit-dikit yung mga seaweed natin. Parang kinukupit-kupit, tapos parang ginagawang papel. Yung lumos doon, di ba? Pero hindi lahat ng lumos ay kinakain natin. Meron lang tayong mga uri ng mga lumos na pwede natin kainin. At ito sila. Alam naman natin na ang seaweeds ay very nutritious, rich in vitamins, minerals, and even collagen. Right? So may vitamin A. Or the cabbage leaf. So marami ang nakatikim tayo dito, di ba? So meron tayong radish, cucumber, scallion, and a lot more. And kimchi was born para lamang sa mga Koreans na makakain sila ng healthy and nutritious meals. Alamang enhances the flavor of our kimchi. They use it as seasoning instead of salt. Okay? But then, for sa mga ayaw naman ito, pwede naman. Basta for pela. Huwag mo natin, huwag mo natin isipin yung mga eggs. Kasi magiging yan. Magiging bitter itong kimchi natin. Okay? Lagyan ng po ng sauce, yung every layer. Yan, mamassage lang siya. Then you can flip over po para i-put as naman on the other side. Ganun lang siya. Yes, you can taste your kimchi. Pero yung kimchi na ginagawa niya ngayon is not yet fermented because it takes 5 days for the kimchi to get fermented. Pero pwede na siyang tikman. Okay? Sa totoo, hindi ko siya kumakas. Oo. Parang ano lang po, yung pre-serve lang po. Yes, yung mga pre-serve. Pero hindi yung bagoong ano yung nagbalan? Ano bang nagbalan? Okay? And then, kasi nag-add mo siya ng flavor mo. Pag hindi naman mag-get, hindi na sa gawa niya yan. Okay? Then, the kimchi will be stored at room temperature for 2 days muna. 20 degrees lang yun, ha? Kasi, in order for the kimchi to allow the microorganisms na magiging responsible sa fermentation niya. Then, after 2 days, kasi pag medyo mag-picture yung mga bacteria na yun, so hindi na siya pwede. And in Korea, kimchi is a staple food. Kasi Koreans cannot really survive eating a building of kimchi. That's a yes, this is problem. But then, you can learn natin yung matubig mo. We can within extra hours of pag-relation. And also po yung cabbage, we have to picture it like, parang mas madali yung okay,
alam mo na,
dito po, meron po tayo or yung Korean street food natin.
Talaga nangyari pa rito sa Korea.
So when you read this one, i-read mo lahat ha. Huwag pong silent talk, okay? This one is bulgogi flavor, madam. This one's bulgogi. Almond flavor, madam. You can try this one. How about you, madam? Do you want to try the almond flavor? Okay lang, sir. Kahit ano kamay mo ka na. Okay, sure.
Wala po kayong ulam.
Ulam na po yung seaweed na.
Ayan guys, ayan natapos na kami, nabudol na naman ulit. Ayan oh. Ayan oh, guys, nabudol na naman. Sarap kasi yung seaweeds na panibago, may mani, may almonds. Ayan, dito kami sa seaweed making and also kimchi museum. Ayan, basto. Ayan guys oh. Ayan, nag-shopping na siya guys oh. Nabodol na naman siya. Saan ka ba pupunta? Pupunta ka bang Maynila? Ayan oh, dami na siyang sana uwi ko na dun.
Hindi ako ng Lamborghini. Mag-aantay ako ng bus.
Okay guys, so, dito na kami, natapos na kami sa aming tour dito sa Seaweeds and Kimchi Museum. Ayan, may nabudol kami guys, so may nabili kami na. Ayan, may nabili na naman kami guys. And Team Kapangan, and thank you sa lahat ng gusto nyo pumunta sa South Korea. Ayan, bisitahin nyo rin itong Kimchi and Seaweeds Museum. Thank you and like, share, and subscribe. Team Kapangan, this is Harglen Channel. See you in my next vlog.
Wala nag-alam.
Ano siya guys? Ang tagamang bali. Dito yung bus dun sa dulo. Maglalakad naman siya guys.